Hey, I decided to do Foxconn and their the chip shortage. So, for some background, their mission is to engage in contract manufacture and supply of components used in electronic products. Also, they were founded by Terry Gu, and their original name was Hanha Precision Industry, and they really first worked on supplying electrical components to manufacturers, but now they focus on high quality but low products. And they're also one of the biggest manufacturers for Apple iPhones. So with this story, I learned that there is a chip shortage. So for your phones, your laptops, your AirPods, your any products that any electronic devices that you use, there is a shortage for those chips that make those products usable. Um, so with the impact on this global economy here lately, the pandemic has really put a lot of our products and the manufacturing behind. There are still companies to this day that have not fully opened or have not opened at all. Um, with the economic decrease right now, there is a shortage for chips for laptops and phones. The demand for the chips is very high. Companies cannot continuously run to their full capacity or they will burn out, meaning that the high demand for the new manufacturing facilities may take them a while to make the different products because they are not fully in the groove yet. For the chip to be made correctly, it must be in the right environment in order for them to be efficient. So, for us to be able to have these new manufacturers, it's going to take time for them to build these new chips, or it's going to take time for them to come up with something in order to continue to make money. So, it will affect our economy. Also, with the chip shortage, there will be an increase in prices because there is a higher demand for these chips. For example, on eBay, there are products that have been up there that already have the chips in them that will double in price because we're in such a high demand for those chips. Like the new products that are supposed to be made will not be to their full capacity, or they won't be sold yet because they have not been made. They don't have the materials, the products to make these devices. um through through my research, I found out that everything that we have electronic has chips in it. There's no way to get around this chip shortage. My recommendation for Foxconn and Apple, honestly, I would say is to find a small company that repairs, that will be able to collab with them, or find small companies that will be able to collab with Apple or Foxconn to repair these phones. Even though these phones already have chips in them, if they only need one chip, or if they only need one certain thing to make these phones last until they're able to come up with more chips, it would be better. Apple will be able to still make money with repairing phones. I also read another article that suggested to their customers, as of right now, to repair your phone instead of replacing it. Replacing it will cost you more money, but repairing it will cost you money, yes, but it will still have you available, or have you to have the access to still have a phone. Like right now, making phones is not a priority. But yes, Foxconn should definitely find different companies to help them and still be able to make a profit off them, even though it